What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to talk about Kroger stock. Ticker symbol is KR. The stock has come to my mind because today I saw the news that in the second quarter, Warren Buffett's company Berkshire Hathaway, they have dumped the JP Morgan stock and they bought more Kroger stock. As I admire and respect Warren Buffett a lot, and I always try to learn from the best in the industry, so I would like to look more into Kroger stock. According to the file of Berkshire submitted to the SEC, Berkshire has sold 35 million JP Morgan shares and lowering its investment in this banking stock to the current 22 million shares. They also bought 3 million more Kroger stock, and the current holding is also around 22 million shares. So today I would like to bring you guys some bulls and bear opinion about Kroger stock. Hopefully that will bring value to you if you are interested in the stock. So today the stock price has increased more than 2% while the whole market tends to going down. And the current stock price is around $35. And compare with the purchase price of Warren Buffett, I think he purchased the stock around $20. So we can see that Warren Buffett has proved it again, although previously some people laugh at him saying that, oh, after he sold the stock, the price going up, or he already missed a lot of opportunities. But I do think there is still a lot we can learn from him. So the first bull opinion about Kroger stock is it's currently on the cheaper end. So the current PE ratio is 13. So compare with its competitors like Walmart, Target, and Costco, the PE ratio is around 25 to 30. And not mentioning when we look at the PE of Amazon, it's more than 100. So currently in this situation, to find a company's PE ratio have 13, that's a bargain in the current stock market. The second bull opinion is that the company has existed for more than 100 years, and the company is famous for provide its original product, like private label product, to its customers. The company has development by providing like breads in the supermarkets, some of its own produced organic food that the consumers are seeking for. So the long history of the company and the special products makes their customers loyal to this brand. And from their earnings report for last quarter, like Q4 last year, their profit has grown due to their private label products. And nowadays, as people are more and more switched to like organic food, the company also have their own private label in these categories. It's called Simply Choose, and they provide all kinds of like healthier options. And the company said they spend a lot of money in building the better shopping environment as well as fresher product quality. I have experienced Kroger when I was living in Atlanta for 1 year, and sometimes I use Instacart to order food from Kroger, or sometimes I go to the store. I think that is very good experience because it seems very clean store, very bright, and a lot of choices, very fresh. I saw Kroger store mainly located in the middle part and in the south part. And currently in New Jersey, there's not a lot of Kroger store. I haven't visited one yet. And nowadays, Kroger even have their own brand of the plant-based meat, which is a competitor of Beyond Meat and Impossible Food. The Kroger's plant-based meat has raised 75 higher sales, like from March to June. And the third bull opinion is the digital transformation of the company. So I saw in the Nielsen report that in the next 5 to 7 years, more than 17% customers will have some chances to shop online. So building this online channel will add more traffic to their omni-channel strategies. In the past several years, with their new CEO Rodney, they have been switching to online shopping. So although they provide a great experience in the physical store, but they believe that the omni-channel, like both offline and online, can better drive their overall sales. And the company actually benefit a lot from this pandemic. Their online sales has grown 90% in the recent quarter. And in order to better sell online, the company also claimed that they use data to determine what would be the customer needs in the near future, so they can update their inventory system even before the customer order. So by using the big data, like both offline and online, they are able to calculate like how much of the life necessities would the customer needs, so that they can better predict the sales, allocate the inventory in different warehouse, and thus achieve faster delivery. So nowadays a lot of retailers like Walmart and Amazon have next day delivery. I think because they make good use of the big data. However, there's also some bare opinions about Kroger stock. The first one is, of course, the competition from Amazon. Since Amazon's acquisition of Whole Foods in 2017, it has created a huge threat to Kroger's business, because Kroger's focus has been in grocery, and Whole Foods, which has been seeing the trend of organic food and healthy food recently, has grabbed a lot of consumers who are conscious in this area. Moreover, Amazon also uses its membership, Amazon Prime, to enhance their customer loyalty, because psychologically, when the consumer have the membership, they tend to shop more. And Amazon also have like technology like Alexa to help them order through voice recognition. So these all build the ecosystem in the retail industry, and it has created a big threat to Kroger. Later on, Walmart also invested huge in adding the grocery sections and online shopping in the sector. So it seems that there would be intense competition between Amazon, Walmart, and Kroger. The second bare opinion is currently a Kroger store only located like around the middle to the south part, like in the west coast and east coast. There seems not a lot of store. So even people wanna order Kroger online, I'm not sure how they are gonna allocate the warehouse and how make it possible. Although Kroger has been the second largest retail in terms of sales, and it already have more than 2,000 stores in the United States, but when comparing with Walmart, the number of stores here, and also when comparing with Amazon Fresh, who has built a lot of new warehouse, and they also hired a lot of new employees during the pandemic. So there's still a big challenge for Kroger if they want to increase their market share. That's all the bulls and bears opinion about Kroger and some of my personal opinions. I always think Warren Buffett is very special. He always makes a trade. It's not expected by other people, but when I look back his strategy and his trade in the past 40 years, I do believe there's much to learn from him. Now I'd like to recap the 1,000 challenge for this week. So my portfolio has grown from last week, I think it's around 1,013 to the current 1,018, and the growth rate is around 0.88%. So it just seems that I didn't find a good time to trade, and for this week the performance is not that good. So for next week, I have two stock ideas in mind. One is Gilead, ticker symbol GILD. The second one is Kroger that I have analyzed today. So I'm looking forward to invest two of these stocks next week. Depends on the momentum going when the market starts. So I will allocate the portfolio and divide it into these two stocks. That's my plan for next week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!